Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add contact us page in Site123. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on pages, click here on add new page, and just write here contact. You're gonna see here that you can choose between many things, many templates, and I like this one here, the contact one. So let's just choose it, and we got it. So now just click edit here. Oh no, this one edit, but this one here, manage page. And let's see, so phone, contact or fax, it's really up to you. Displayed email, okay, email receiver, nice. You can also add social details, and let's just add here you can also add an email receiver from the form. Nice. And as you can see, we got like perfect map here. So this is how you can do it, and it's quite simple. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I will try to help you and give you some feedback. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.